Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 4 large egg yolks, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your eggs and milk are at room temperature. You'll also need a medium saucepan and a whisk. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Next, in a bowl, whisk the 4 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture is pale yellow and slightly thickened. In your saucepan, gently heat the 2 cups of milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Do not let it boil. This step is crucial for a smooth custard. Now, slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot milk into the egg mixture while whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Then, pour the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring continuously with a spoon until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of the spoon. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once thickened, immediately remove the custard from the heat. For an extra smooth texture, strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Cover the surface of the custard directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Serve cold and enjoy your delicious homemade custard. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.